Still wasting money on canned air or struggling to clean dust from your PC, keyboard, car, or workshop? What if one compact device could deliver powerful airflow for cleaning, drying, and even leaf removal? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 880,000 RPM turbofan air blower, a rechargeable brushless air duster designed for high-speed performance and versatile everyday use. Stay with us to see if it's the right cleaning tool for your needs. Product links are available in the description below. One of the biggest highlights of this turbofan is its high-speed brushless motor, capable of reaching an impressive 880,000 RPM. Combined with a maximum wind speed of 70 meters per second and up to 600 grams of thrust, it delivers a strong, focused stream of air that's ideal for removing stubborn dust, debris, water, and even light leaves. Powering the device is a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, giving you cordless convenience without relying on disposable compressed air cans. It charges through a modern USB Type-C port, making it easy to recharge with a power bank, laptop, or USB charger.
Built with high-quality imported bearings and a CNC-machined metal turbine, the fan is designed for smooth operation and long-lasting durability. The Stepless speed control lets you adjust the airflow precisely, whether you need a gentle breeze for delicate electronics or maximum power for tougher cleaning jobs. The blower is also equipped with several built-in safety features, including over-discharge protection, short-circuit protection, and reverse battery connection protection, helping ensure reliable operation during everyday use. Its versatility is another major advantage. You can use it for cleaning computers, keyboards, cameras, car interiors, workshops, air conditioners, drying pets, blowing away snow, supporting charcoal fires, or even creating wind effects for photography and video production. Despite its powerful performance, the compact design makes it easy to carry and store.
Pros: ultra-fast 880,000 RPM brushless motor, strong 70 meter per second airflow with up to 600 grams thrust. Large 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, adjustable stepless speed control, USB Type-C charging, multiple built-in safety protections, compact and highly versatile for many cleaning tasks on all kinds of tasks. Cons: can be quite loud at maximum speed. Not intended for heavy-duty industrial cleaning. Battery life decreases when used continuously at full power. Final verdict: if you're looking for a compact yet powerful rechargeable air blower for cleaning electronics, cars, workshops, or everyday household tasks, the 880,000 RPM turbofan air blower offers an excellent combination of power, portability, and versatility. Its brushless motor, adjustable airflow, large battery, and multiple safety features make it a practical upgrade over traditional compressed air cans for most users. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about this turbofan in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.